Hello everybody, this is Cybes and John, and today we're doing episode 2 of Cybes 3D prints. So today, I am going to be reviewing the Master Sword that you can 3D print for your Fortress Maximus. Which Fortress Maximus is it for? Well, as you know, it will be for the regular retail version, because the San Diego Comic-Con version comes with a Master Sword, so does the Takara version. So it's gotta be the regular version, which I own. So and to be honest, he didn't come with a weapon. So I mean, this is pretty cool that someone, and you know, other geniuses out there can do these clever little things that, you know, Hasbro and Takara forget to notice, and it's absolutely just brilliant. Either way, I'm just transforming Cerebros, because Cerebros also plays a part in this Master Sword as well. There he is. Right there. So you can, the Master Sword, it's printed in, it's in 4 different sections. So you got Sword Hilt, that is Sword 4 on a file. Sword 3 is the bit that goes into the Sword Hilt. Sword 2 and 1 are the middle and tip of the sword. I am gonna say you are gonna need to print Sword 3, 2, and 1 twice, because they stick together. They form both sides of the Master Sword, and the Sword Hilt, well, you just print one of them, because it's got 2 holes for the 2 sides of the sword. When you put them together with like some plastic glue or super glue or something. But yeah, this is the Master Sword, and it is pretty big. It's actually quite impressive as well. So to give Cerebros a weapon, you are going to need to take the tip out. Now I've super glued this, so it'll take me a bit of force to get this out, but I got it out. But yeah, this is Cerebros's weapon. I've not painted this yet. I'll probably paint it Master Force or G1 Toy Accurate coloring. But yeah, you can just take the sword, just put it in his hand, like so. He can hold it, he can wield it, he can do whatever he desires to do. You can put him in a pose like this if you want to, on your display shelf or something like that, with his sword ready to slice and dice some Decepticons or his Titan rival, Scorponok. So yeah, there you go. There's that. To put that part of the weapon back in, you got a hole in there. You can see there's a hole in there, and then you just pop the tip of the sword right back in there, and that is absolutely fine. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Cerebros back into Fort Max head configuration. So then we can give Fortress Maximus the Master Sword. And I'm going to show you how you put it in. It works, I think, exactly like the Master Sword that Takara and the San Diego Comic-Con version of Fortress Maximus have done. I think might be a direct representation and copy of it, but yeah, I'm just gonna put Fort Max up with me. So I'm gonna just show you his arm here, if I can. So here is his hand. You got that big tab right in there, and that is where this right here, this big bit there, that's gonna go. So I'm just gonna pop that right in there, if I can. Come on. Yep, here we go. It's holding. Right. Put his fingers around it. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna pop them up on there. We have Fortress Maximus on the review table. We have Fortress Maximus right here holding his Master Sword right there. Absolutely, it just looks brilliant. I think it looks great. But yeah, there you go. Just something a little bit short and everything. And you know, I just gotta do something to entertain myself because, like everyone else, I'm quarantined. I'm in isolation, like everyone else, due to this CV virus issue. You probably all know what I mean. But yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna do videos like this just to try and entertain people, because we're all gonna have to stay at home and do something, you know. But we won't be in this situation forever. It's not gonna be like this forever. It's only gonna be like this for maybe a couple of months, maybe a bit more. So don't think it's doom and gloom. There is hope on the other side of this. This has been Cybes on John. Peace out.